walking with his dog. I think this guy is going somewhere. Selamat pagi. That's a big guy with the big balls. This one is called babi guling, and that's how it looks in Indonesia. And this is how it looks in the Philippines. Honestly, I like more Filipino style because in the Philippines it's more juicy. They fill up the belly with lemongrass, so this gives a taste to the meat, and it's not that dry as it here in Indonesia.
New challenge again for me, especially for me, because I have a problem with the balance.
You manage it to get through that during the motorbike riding.
Now I will try with this one. Oh, a little bit scary again.
That's the thing what we're going to do today. So we're gonna learn the new thing, and it's SUP, stand up and paddle. That's what we're gonna do. Thank you, Matthias from Apneista, who gave us these paddleboards. So something really interesting and something we've been thinking about a long time, but we never had the time because we were too busy with diving and teaching diving. But now I think it's a time. Why actually it's good here? Because we have so many reefs. The reef is so stretched, and usually you cannot, from the beach, you cannot reach some portions of the reef, which is super beautiful. So what we do today is, first of all, we will learn how to get on this board at all. We never did it before, not me or either Laura. Actually, it's a really good workout. It works, your legs working and your shoulders working, your arms working. Good workout. We are super excited about this activity. Really looking forward to step on it finally. How is it, Laura? Going better?
Very difficult. I cannot stand up.
You cannot stand up?
Yeah.
I will try. Up. Feels like I'm up. Go on. Ooh. So this is the first time I'm standing up.
Yay!
I have a good balance actually, I think. It's really the first time I'm trying.
Good job, Martin.
Thank you.
Almost.
So, I'm super excited. This will... So whenever I will finish the diving at that day, I will go out on the top.
Oh my god.
You're so good on it. I think it's not that bad with your balance. Try. Yeah, slowly. Don't step up. Put that leg. Put the leg in the middle. Closer to the middle. And now a little bit up. It's okay. It doesn't matter. From the people who just trying it out for the first time. I think we are doing really well. Yeah, so I thought it will be harder, but it's not that bad. So the really important thing is all the balance is about the middle of the board, and then so if you find that balance, then it's fine. As long as you're on the knees on your butt, it's like a kind of comfortable. You can sleep or do yoga on it. But then when it's time to stand up, then it's hard a little bit. And that's what Laura trying to do now. Boom! And that's good. It's a lot of fun, believe me. Okay. Keep the balance. This is actually really good exercise. So now I have like 3 sports I really like: swimming, hiking, and trail running, which goes in a combination for me. And the third one is stand-up paddling or SUP. Cool.
And diving?
Diving is not the sport for me. Diving is only the sport for the lazy people. So I just came out of the woods. 42 episodes is not bad, right? So what I would like to say, it's nothing is over. I just warmed up. My friend from the Philippines, Carl, gave me a book about the marathon runner who ran the marathon to warm up for another marathon. So he was always running from his home like 42 kilometers to the marathon venue place to run the marathon. That sounds interesting. I think I'm going pretty fast, kind of going against the wind, but it feels good. Laura, did you like it?
I like it a lot, but it's not easy. I like it a lot, but it's not easy for first time.
What was the hardest one you
to stand up?
experienced? Stand up.
Yeah, because sitting on a knee was very easy, very comfortable, easy. Just later knees was painful. That's why I understand. Before we went to the beach, I watched some videos on YouTube how to stand up, and one guy said, "Oh, don't sit on the knees because it's not comfortable." Now I understand why he said no need to sit on the knees, because it's really painful. But for me it was very hard to stand up, because when I tried to stand up, the board just moved. But I will do one more time, more and more. I will training, and then you will see.
My emotions you already saw, so I found it really cool. I will include this one in a list of the sports I'm doing on a regular basis. Yeah, so now it's a question where to get a board. So thank you our friends from Thailand for inspiration. That's probably the main idea comes from there. I think we're gonna do it a lot in the future. What are we gonna do tomorrow? I still have no idea, but that's the beautiful part of our life. You never know what will be next, but it always brings some surprises. Okay guys, don't forget to live. Living is not to be alive, living is to do something about your life. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube. See you! Ready? Not yet. Taking a rest. Yeah. A little bit windy. Was kind of